Bang! Neeves Knives, I'm Jared. This is going to be a quick video. I just wanted to tell you guys that there is a discount code and sale going on until the 16th from VOSTEED Knives. I'm going to show you guys all the knives that are on sale, and I will link everything down in the description, including the discount code for you guys. So we have the VOSTEED Labrador, 154 cm, lots of deployment options. The front flipper works really good on this one. All the actions, every one of the deployments work really good. It's definitely very, very fidgety. Great access to the lock bar. Like I said, 154 cm steel, contoured, nice and slim scales that are very comfortable. They do a good job with the deep carry clips. It is inset with flat screws, but it's not reversible. Next one, which would probably be my most recommended knife of all these knives, is the VOSTEED Raccoon. Now you could go with the button lock option, which is really good. You know, they do a good job with it. They were kind of failing in the beginning. The last three I've gotten have been pretty good, but the crossbar lock is the one I mostly recommend because it's going to be like 10 times stronger than any button lock. You know, crossbar locks are just super duper strong. 14C 28M blade steel, super strong lockup, somewhat of a spear pointish blade, beautiful sharp tone plunge grind. You can choke up nice to the edge, very comfortable in the hand. Reversible deep carry clip that's inset with flat screws. Great access to the crossbar lock, and it is on ceramic cage bearing, so it's very, very smooth. They do a good job with their detents too on their crossbar locks, which you can't say that for all companies. So the VOSTEED Raccoon is definitely one of the most recommended from this list. And like I said, 15% off. That's pretty good. Next you have the Voss Bellamy. Voss Bellamy, it comes in a green one with like stripes. So it's not this exact one. Anyways, it's the same knife, just with a little bit different micarta, but it has a clip point hollow ground clip point blade that's very, very well done. 154 cm. They're very, very slicey. Great access to the lock bar. Super duper smooth. And again, this thing has a lot of forms of deployment. You got the front flipper, the regular flipper, and then the fuller for reverse or thumb flick. And the front flipper works really, really good. It's well jimped. It's exactly the way you want a front flipper to be. The ergonomics are also really good. It's a super good lightweight knife. That's where I put this knife. This knife is a knife that I recommend to people that want a super fidgety, very lightweight EDC knife. It does have a reversible deep carry clip, and you know, it's a good one for sure. This is one I've been raving about since the first time it came out. Now the last one is the VOSTEED Gator. 14C 28N sheep's foot blade. Now I do prefer this version a little bit more than this one. Actually the titanium frag one is my favorite, but we're still waiting for that one to come out. But as far as this one goes, you know, these are XL size knives. So this is definitely a knife for somebody who wants a big boy knife. Sheep's foot blade. It does, like I said, 14C 28N, super tough steel, and it has great access to the lock bar, super duper smooth, multiple forms of deployment. You got this thumb or reverse flicking action stud. Then you also have the front flipper that you can use multiple different ways, and you have the regular flipper. So lots of deployment options. Deep carry clip that's reversible and inset with flat screws. They give you a little plate right there. Now there is lots of different color options. This one's super ergonomic. Like I said, this is an XL size knife, so you definitely gotta like big knives when you're talking about this one. So there you guys go. You got the VOSTEED Gator, you got the VOSTEED Labrador, and the VOSTEED Raccoon, and the Bellamy. All 15% off using the discount code. Everything will be linked in the description. Work hard, stay tough. Society's relying on you. Until next time, peace.